Hey everybody. So this is Tanya from Farmer Always, and I am here by this cute little shed, this little building, and there's a plant here. Check out these pods. So I think these are called Datura. I saw little bits of flowers on this plant before, and it's kind of like a trumpet flower. And I believe it was either white or purple, but they weren't very big of a flower, so it might not be. But regardless, I do want this plant gone, and I'm worried that some of the seeds are already exposed. You can see how that's open. So I brought some clippers and a pail, and I'm planning on putting the pail underneath and wearing gloves and clipping this plant, at least the seeds off, and hopefully I can prevent any growing this year. For one, it's pokey. For two, I think it's actually a poisonous plant. So there were some renters that lived here and they had it, and so now that we're able to, we're gonna try to clean this up. So that is what my project for the evening is. So hopefully I don't poke myself. Hopefully I get all the seeds and yeah, try to get this cleaned up. They're quite a strong stem and they want to pop their seeds. I don't think I'm going to be getting everything into the pail. And look at all those seeds at the bottom. That's quite a few. So this is a little bit worrisome. Look at that. Just full of seeds. It must be also, I think this is considered a weed. How it seems to be spreading its seeds, I could see that it would easily spread and get uncontrolled. I'm going to dispose of them and make sure that they don't fall or spread elsewhere. This isn't going very well. I had good intentions, but look at this, my pail is almost full. It's not almost full, but there's not a lot of space because the height, they are coming out near the top. And I have a lot left to do. Even the little ones have seeds in them. Crazy. You just scatter them. You wiggle it and they just fly. Not not good. It's a fascinating pod. So it's going pretty good. I have these cleaned off. There's no pods left. Part of those, but I still have this very center to do, and my pail is already full of seeds. So I need to go find another container or something that doesn't have a hole in it so we don't lose any seeds anywhere. Well, there's no container in sight. So I guess I am done for the night so that I can dispose of these. It's a couple days later and I'm back over here by this cute little shed, and I'm going to finish cleaning up the, I think, Datura seeds. Clean up those pods. I ran out of space in my pail a couple of days ago. And also the whole little building was tipped a little bit and we couldn't open that door properly. It was too close to the ground. So Brian came with the tractor and he lifted up with the forks and so we're going to shovel a little bit of dirt underneath there to raise it up a little bit, or we might put a 4x4 on. We haven't decided yet what we're going to do. So between doing that and cleaning up these, this little shed will be back into use again, so that'll be nice. So it's quite a windy day today. I brought my clippers and an empty pail, and hopefully the wind doesn't blow these pods around, because I really don't want extra seeds going anywhere and seeding themselves. Even these little baby plants have seed pods on them. So the other day when I was doing this, it didn't work really to do it how I originally planned. So basically it's get the pod off as gently as possible without shaking the others too badly. I'm not doing very well. The ones on the stem that are still there, on the stem that I'm cutting, they pop their seeds out, so I'm not really thinking I'm gonna keep cleaning these up. I'm gonna have to watch for these in the summertime here. Basically what I'm saying. Because they're so brittle, you can see it just shakes them so quick. So that's why, yeah, this isn't good. I'd say these would be a noxious weed just simply because they spray their seeds so much. And they're so pokey. So I'm getting quite a few into the pail, but some are flying around. But it's better than if I just left them, that's for sure. Trying to support the seed pods as good as I can, but I can't prevent the rest of the stem from jiggling. You're going to?
I don't know if it'll settle. It's
It'll
not
probably
that high.
settle. No. It'll settle. I believe I got all of the plants, at least the big pods. See, even these little tiny ones have their little seed pod. So I'm also going to pull all these dry stems up and clean up this flower bed. Brian's got this lifted even higher now, and he's got some soil that he's gonna put down. So I'm gonna keep working on what I'm doing,